Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a quick video about reserve rights token. This particular cryptocurrency could potentially 50x soon. What do you guys think? Could we see this market in reserve right token currently trading under $1? Could it go at least to a nickel? Let's talk about it. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my information and content that I produce here on a daily basis for these cryptocurrencies. If you guys want to learn more, like I told you, make sure you keep it locked here. Tap that bell notification so you guys become notified when my videos are uploaded to this platform, because I want to ensure and let you know that this game is not difficult and it's not hard. All you have to do is understand the language that is being spoken off of these price bars and volume to get understand as to what the market is anticipated to do. So now let's look at reserve rights token. The last time I did a video for reserve rights was all the way back here in 2022. You guys can see it. The prediction is still here. We anticipated that at that moment in time that reserve rights token was going to go lower back there on June 30th, 2022. The market ultimately bottomed right there on what, 5,600 points. That would have garnered us around 17% profit. And you guys can see how many days, how long the market was just merely supporting that area. Like those buyers were not relinquishing control of this area. And then that's when the market ultimately broke out, hit our stop loss, and then it finally came to our ultimate TP price. I would say, let me see, on November 9th or November 8th, 2022. So from June to November is how long it took for price to hit our ultimate TP area. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. We'll get rid of these lines here and we'll go to the current day, because now times has changed. We're seeing the market here in reserve rights token bottoming out, I would say around 5,200 points, 5,100 points. So that's the first thing we're going to do. We're going to identify the area that we are noticing buyers supporting the price. So here's the area right there. We're going to create another one too. Okay, so these two areas are going to be important if we're going to see this cryptocurrency at least continue to go high in price. I'm not going to say a nickel. I'm not even going to say a penny. But could it go higher? Yes. We're not even that far from a penny anyway right now in reserve rights token. But just like we created those buy pockets, we need to go ahead and create sell pockets. Here's one right here. So price is right now, as I record this video, hitting this sell pocket. So let me ask you this question. Would you be nervous? Would you be surprised if you see price in reserve rights begin to go down? Because I would not be, because we already know that this market is hitting this sell pocket, right? Okay, so I think these three sell pockets are the targets that we're going to look for the market in reserve rights to hit if it's anticipated that they're going to continue to go up. Okay, so now let's see what are the chances. Let's take a look at reserve rights on the 2. Here it is on the 2. This is a very strong 2-day price bar. Okay, that's strong. Here it is on the 3. Pretty good spread on the 3-day chart as well. Here's reserve rights on the 4. Again, you're seeing strength and the buyers controlling the price right now in reserve rights. Here it is on the 5. 13 hours, 19 minutes. I would like to see price close at the high of this 5-day bar. If it does, cool. We know what to do. We're going to anticipate higher prices. Here it is on the week. Reserve rights on the 3. So at the end of this week, next 4 days, 14 hours, if we see this spread come all the way back up to the high from the prior 3 weeks, that's even more bullish. And we've been looking for price to hit this next sell pocket up there around a penny. So let's look at this on the hourly chart. I'm trying to figure out if this market in reserve rights is getting inundated with selling, and could we look for price to go down? If we do, look for this market right there to try to hold price. Okay. Here it is on the 1 hour. So yeah, the volume has definitely increased as we've seen price trade up here. So look for the market to eventually try to go down. which is cool. I mean, you gotta expect it. We already know we're in the pocket of selling. We're just going to see if these buyers really want control still. If they do, then the selling that we currently see won't be a problem for the buyers, and they will continue to lift the market. Here it is on the 330. Okay, so these bars right here on the 330 is still weak. Sellers are still in the market in reserve rights. But just like on this 330-minute price bar, the next one that forms after this 330 price bar will tell us everything we need to know. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we are going to anticipate higher prices though. We're going to look for this cryptocurrency to go higher. Only issue that we already know is that we're hitting a pocket of selling now. So don't be surprised if from out the gate, after I record this video, reserve rights go down. But we're going to target this bottom area of this pocket, this next sell pocket, which is around 11.87%. Around 8,900 points, and then our second target is going to be up here around 9,500 points, 19.61%. And we'll leave it there for the moment. Let's take it up there to a penny. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. Now it's your turn. Give me your thoughts. Let me know. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.